Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add music to WhatsApp status. So first open WhatsApp and then click on status button at the bottom. Now next what you have to do is click on the plus icon next to your profile picture and then select the camera option. You can record a short video, but as you will notice there is no built-in option to add music. Now in order to add music, we will use Instagram here. For this, open the Instagram app and on your home screen, swipe right to open camera and you can either record a new video or you can select one from your gallery. Now, once you have video on your screen, click on the music icon at the top and search for any song you like. Once it is selected, click on Done in the top right corner. Now, save the video by tapping the three dots in the top right corner and then choose Save. Once it is saved, go back to WhatsApp, click on the plus icon next to your profile picture again, and then select the recently saved video and then tap the Send button in the bottom right corner and that's it. Your WhatsApp status now has music.